The Unstructured platform helps you to create document processing pipelines. These pipelines consist of a few parts. First, the source connector. It answers the question, where are the documents for Unstructured to process? Second, a destination connector. It answers the question, where will the results that Unstructured produces go to? Third, a workflow. It answers the question, what kind of results do we want Unstructured to produce? And fourth, and finally, jobs, which answer the question, did the workflow run successfully? Let's go ahead and use the Unstructured platform to create one of these document processing pipelines. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Amazon S3 bucket as both the source and destination for this document processing pipeline. In this bucket, I have two folders. One folder is named Input. It has a sample PDF file in it. The other folder, named Output, has no information in it right now. Unstructured will take the source document, process it, and then put the processed data in this Output folder. Okay, now that you know what the platform does and what we want it to do, let's go ahead and make things happen. After you've logged into the Unstructured platform, click Connectors. In the Connectors pane, you'll see two buttons, Sources and Destinations. Let's go ahead and create the source connection. To do this, with the Sources button selected, click Add New. Give the connector a name, make sure Source is selected, and then for Provider, click Amazon S3. Then click Continue. We'll need to provide Unstructured with a few pieces of information. First, the bucket URL. Next, enter your AWS access key and AWS secret key. Then click Continue. Click Save and Test. We'll now do the same thing for the destination. Select Destinations, and then click Add New. Give the destination connector a name, make sure Destination is selected, and then again for Provider, click Amazon S3. Then click Continue. We'll provide the same kind of information we did for the source connector. However, for the bucket URL, we'll specify the Output folder instead of the Input folder. Click Continue, and save and test this connection as well. Now that we have our source and destination connectors established, let's create the workflow. On the sidebar, click Workflows, then click New Workflow. Select Build It For Me, and then click Continue. Give the workflow a name, and select your source and destination. Then click Continue. Click Continue again, and then click Complete. To run this workflow, in the list of workflows, click Run next to this workflow. To view the status of this run, on the sidebar, click Jobs. When the status of your job is finished, click the job in the list. The pop-out pane shows the results of this job. As you can see, one file was successfully processed. Let's go check it out in S3. I'm back in the S3 bucket, in the Output folder. Let's hit the Refresh button to see what happened. As you can see, we now have the processed data here as a JSON file. And that's it.